So I've got some experience working with startups, helping people set up LLCs, corporations, S-corps, or nonprofits. Have some corporate experience and some small business experience, but I really prefer to help small businesses grow. It depends on where you are. In San Francisco and New York, they're bigger cities. I think there are a lot more VCs, a lot more funds. In Omaha, it's growing. There are a few funds, but not a few VCs and types of things like that. But not a ton. But it's growing, and there is access to a lot of Fortune 500 companies in Omaha. So the opportunity is there, and I would say that it's a little bit simpler, but you still have to make the right pitch. You wouldn't have to be local. You could do. You could just have a registered agent. If you got a PO box or just had a law firm or an office receive your mail, and they were your registered agent with the Secretary of State. You could have an open office, and then as long as you had someone receiving any legal work or any paperwork or tax work, and as long as you stayed on top of that, you could operate your business from elsewhere. So normally it just depends on how many people you have, and if you want to do a corporation and have some good reasons for why it needs to be that complex, or maybe it's an established startup that has some reasons to, depending on a partnership they have or something like that, maybe you do a corporation.